Hello everyone. In this video, you will be seeing Introduction to SQL Cross-Joins, where we'll be joining all possible combinations by using a practical explanations under MySQL Workbench. So let's understand how basically cross-join will work. So here we are going to create a new database, that is create database joins. Okay. So already I have it. So once after creating this database joins, you have to execute it. Okay, so on the top, you have to execute the selected portion. Once after selecting, we have to execute. This is the way of execution in case of SQL Workbench. Then once after creating a database, you want to use that particular database. So use joins should be executed. Okay. Now, in case of cross join, here we are going to discuss two different tables. That is employee table. So in employee table, we will be having employee ID. Okay. And then followed by that, you'll be having employee name, then salary and department ID. So we'll just view this result. So select start from employee. It will be showing you the values under employee table. Okay. So now, then we are going to see the second table, that is our department table. So in department table, for each and every department IDs, the department name will be provided. So we'll see the result under department. So select start from departments. So for each and every department ID, the corresponding name will be provided. This is our second table. So now we are going to see, look at cross joins. Okay. So in case of cross join, it's just simple. So what does it basically do is, it basically creates a Cartesian products of the columns that we have selected. For example, consider we are having employee name. Under employee name, we are having Alice Bob. Okay. Whereas we are having department ID. Okay. In department ID, we are having 1, 2, 3. So these are the two columns that we are going to do. Okay. Here, when we apply cross join, what happens? It will take each and every elements from your first table and it will combine with the every unique values under your department table. Whereas in case of next, it will be taking the second element from your employee name, okay, and then it will combine with department name. Such that it creates 6 different possible combinations. That is Alice with respect to 1, okay, Alice with respect to 2, Alice with respect to 3. Similarly, Bob with respect to 1, Bob with respect to 2, and Bob with respect to 3. This is how 6 different combinations would be provided. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to consider employee table and then department table. From employee table, okay, so we are going to extract only the employee ID. So select e.employee ID. In short, for employee ID, we are providing an aliasing name E, okay, whereas we are going to consider department table and we are going to provide an aliasing name as D, okay. So from employee table, we are going to consider employee ID, okay, and then under department name, we are going to extract department. Okay, under department table, we are going to extract department name. So once after extracting these two columns, okay, we are going to do cross join such that what happened, for each and every employee ID, okay, the department name will be combined. For example, we are having one, okay, we are having like 5 different departments, one IT, one HR, okay, one sales, one finance. So likewise, the combinations will be done. Okay, then it will be taking second ID. For second ID also, different combinations with respect to department name will be done. So now, let's check with the result. So select it and execute the cell. See, so for each and every IDs, what happens? E7 with respect to HRs. Okay, for each and every employee ID, the department name will be provided. For all the people, they belong to admin department, then sales, okay, then IT. Then followed by that, since there are 2 department names that belongs to HR, okay, so that's why it has provided HR again. And then followed by that, training. Okay, this is how multiple combinations will be provided. This is what the purpose of cross joins. That's the end of introduction to SQL cross joins. See you next video. Thank you.